I found this SUV completely forgotten, but I have a crazy plan for it. This thing needs a complete rebuild. Let's strip it down. Now we're taking everything apart. The real transformation starts here. Now we're giving this SUV the armor it was built for. Now it finally looks like a real beast. Those wheels completely changed the attitude of this beast. Outside, it's becoming a beast, but the inside needs to feel just as special. Everything is coming together. Now let's make this thing impossible to ignore. It's finally ready for the road. Let's see if all this work was worth it. Okay, this thing feels unstoppable. This is way better than I imagined. The build is finished. Now it's time for the final reveal. I can't believe this is the same SUV we found in that garage. From a forgotten SUV, the transformation is insane. Which car should we transform next? Tell me in the comments.